We got the top 2 deals at the depot. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribers and likes. Yes, they still got these deals. These are great, awesome deals. If you guys are all looking for OPE equipment, Milwaukee, you buy any of these, get the free 5 amp hour battery below. And you buy that, any of those 2 kits, you can get a 6 amp hour high output battery, which is one of the better ones that they have. Actually, the better ones that they have. The gray line there, and then that's it right there. It's ready to roll. They should have some in stock at your depots. This is regular price $169, so you guys could see the discount you guys are getting. This one's down to $80, down from $89. It's a string trimmer, Black & Decker. Pretty much, it's a corded, and then you got this corded electric pole saw from Ryobi, down to $125 from $139. Yes, unfortunately, you do have to carry an extension cord for these. $80 for the edge trimmer. Yep, pretty good deal on this one if you're not looking to get into a battery line. Then you got this was the handheld sprayer. It says up to $49.97 handheld spray. It's pretty much like a mist sprayer. And you got this this line .095, $13.97, and then you got this brush. This is for the cleaners, the power cleaners from Ryobi. So if you own that, this is on clearance. It's down to $9.97. That's actually not a bad price for that brush. Fortunately, I don't have anything that will fit it, so I couldn't buy it. I just got regular miscellaneous stuff. All right, we got some axes here. Pretty nice looking axes. I never used this brand before. You got 36.30 down from 37.98, so a couple bucks off on that. And then this one's down to 32 from 33.98. And then this one's down to 129 from 149. It's the Ryobi 40 volt brushless blower, tool only. I think it's the Whisper series, brushless. Yep, Whisper series for 150 CFM. That's pretty powerful. You got Husky double blade weed cutter, 27.98. So that's pretty much it right there. If you guys got weeds and all that stuff, so good stuff for the garden. You got $40. This is a sledgehammer. It's pretty big in size. You guys do a lot of construction, guys. This is the clearance section. There's a lot to go over here. Well, not a lot, but there's a few nice items here to check out. Starting here, we got this glass dining table, $42, down from $99. This is a really good deal, 60 by 38. It is a glass top from Style Well. All right, we got a pressure washer. This is a DeWalt 13 amp electric cold water pressure washer. $349. Remember, guys, these prices sometimes are not accurate. You might want to double check. If you guys are interested in an item, you might want to double check with your associate. And they do have those Home Depot cell phones, especially tools that they can check the prices. They do have a different price from the online inventory. You got electrostatic fogger here for $149 Ryobi. You got this pressure washer. It's a really nice pressure washer. It's the 2100 1.2 gallons per minute. So it's a really nice pressure washer. Does have inboard storage, so you can store all the bits and all that stuff. You got job site $299, and then you got this compressor. This is a DeWalt compressor. It does have some really nice really nice gauges and knobs. You got $315 down from $419. I'm pretty sure these are gonna start dropping even lower. Same thing with this rigid. You got 200 psi, 4.5 gallon. $262. Then you got this Kohler, 3,200 psi. And then you got the same blower there at the other side. All right, we got the pack out. So free case when you buy $219 or more. So if you guys buy the bottom pack and the medium pack, the XL, that's pretty much putting you above that. Then you're getting yourself a nice 3-piece. Or you can mismatch it and just buy that big one and just get yourself a free crate. There's different ways you guys could do it, which is a decent deal actually. If you want that, the Milwaukee packout boxes there, you got that one for $49.97. It looks like the organizer, and you got the bigger box or the small box for $79. Alright, you got a nailer here. This is a 1 3/4 coil roofing nailer from Makita, $199. So AN 454. Remember guys, double check those prices because sometimes they are not accurate. Got the firm grip, and then you got the DeWalt chalk. You got the chalk here, 660 down from 697. Then you got a pump here. This is like a multi-use pump. That's what it says, Pennzoil, maybe oil. 1097. Then you got another piece of chalk here from DeWalt, 29.97. You got $92 down from 109. 77 piece. It's a pretty nice set. So, and then you got some blades here. So it's 100 piece. Utility blade, $14 down from 14.97. And you got the firm grip gloves and the husky gloves there. So you got the $12 down from 12.97, and then this one's 16.78. So pretty good deals on those. Well, not too bad. I mean, you're getting $1 off basically. Got some knee pads there. Then you got a removable tool case down to $28 from 29.97. They did not have this in stock. I got the brand nailer here, M18 brand nailer, $279. Pretty nice. I got the Ryobi brand nailer, and then they got the DeWalt XR. These are not on sale, by the way. These are just regular prices. I'm just showing you guys because I never show you guys these nailers. I'll just, just throw it out there for you guys. Something a little different. You got the Ryobi cordless crown stapler, 3/8. Compression drive technology. Then you got the DeWalt pin nailer, automatic atomic 23 gauge nailer. This is nice. Really like the compactness of that. Alright, so you got $449. You buy any of those, $449, $349, $269, you get a free tool at the bottom. They still have running these deals. So guys, if you guys are looking for something like this, make sure you guys pick it up, because they will go out. I believe this one's should be already within, the start of next month. Should be already expired. You got some blades here. So 2-pack of blades. You got some spade bit set, spade blades. I can't talk today. I need my coffee today. Alright, so we got the Milwaukee service cart. This is a really nice service cart. Definitely check it out. I mean, it's a little pricey, but you are getting a little bit better, like more features on this. And you're getting nice power strip with some 2 USBs. So it's $498 according to what it says, that sticker. So make sure you guys keep an eye out on these, because sometimes they do drop them and they do go in clearance. So they got a top drawer there at the bottom, at the top, and then you got a bottom drawer there at the bottom too. So already got these on sale. Some really good deals. $9.97 and your choice here, or $20 for $19.97 for the pack of 3 flap discs. So it's pretty nice if you guys want to stock up on these, and these do fit the regular angle grinders, not just alright, so they got the buy one get one free. Yeah, it does not say here, but you do have to buy that impact driver, drill driver, hammer drill. Get any of those tools for free. I don't know why this Home Depot does not have this deal going on, but we did manage to go over to the other side of this deal and look at that. They do have the buy one get one free, but it's somehow they cover it up. So I don't know what's happening there. But if you guys know why they do that, let me know that in the comment section. Why stores do that. I don't know if they're running low on stock or what's going on. But this deal's supposed to be rolling out until next month. So there you go. There's the deal. It was covered up by this other cardboard. Maybe they just forgot to turn it over. Alright, $16.97 for the work skin performance snack. $24.97 for the shirts, t-shirts. And then you got the snapback trucker hat. The trucker hat's really nice. I really like the materials, and especially for Phoenix here in Arizona. It gets really hot. Really like the ventilation in the back there. Alright, so they got the wrenches here. These are the ratcheting wrenches. $59.97 for a 20 piece. That's actually not too bad, guys. Not too bad. $19.97 for the 10 piece combination. Right? These are the regular ones. So these are great for a spare toolbox, or for a tool bag, junkyard tool bag. That's pretty nice. 70 piece mechanics tool set, 3/8 drives, a nice set there. $49.97. So that's pretty good. You got some sockets, longer sockets, deep sockets. You got a circular saw here. Is a corded circular saw, $49.97 from Rigid. You got a lithium jump starter, USB power bank, $59.98. Pretty much you're safe with all these guys. I've done a lot of reviews online. All the ones I've gotten, they've been able to start V8s, so you're pretty much good. The only question about these is the longevity. Some of them do last. Well, actually, most of the ones that I used, they do last a long time. There's only been a few of them that don't last. Maybe gotten a defected battery there or something. They're still running this deal. You can buy either a drill driver or an impact driver for $99, bare bone batteries, or you can get the buy one get one free. So you buy that starter kit there with a 3 amp hour battery. You get one of those tools for free. That is the starter kit you guys have to buy. That's a really nice battery. It's one of the upgraded batteries that they have. The wider ones, the bigger was 21700 cells. So upgraded battery there. And you can get to choose from any of those tools at the bottom there. The drywall screw gun, the oscillating tool, the sander, and you can also buy the drills there at the bottom. Impact driver and drill driver combo for $169. That's a really good deal on that. However, I would upgrade those batteries, definitely. $99 for 18 gauge brand nailer with a nice case. Precision point, 18 gauge. Alright, you got the fan here, job site fan, $99. They're already sold out. Like I said, it's really hot here, so all the fans just fly off the shelves. $99 for this 6-gallon 18 gauge brand nailer and packing air compressor. So it's a combo kit. It does include the hose, so you guys can start nailing basically. Alright, so they got this. This is a pretty decent deal. $199 impact driver, drill driver, HP tools. You get a free, you want to call it a pack out, but the Ryobi link system box, toolbox that they call it. So that is the kit that you have to buy for $199. And then you're going to get that $44 box for free. That's actually pretty decent. Pretty decent deal. We'll definitely jump on it if you're on this line. If you like these colors. I personally like Milwaukee packout. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.